Welcome to Best Buying Report. The Best Period Kit is probably one of the most essential and thoughtful gifts you can give to a young girl embarking on her journey through puberty, offering a sense of preparedness, comfort, and empowerment during a significant life transition. This carefully curated collection aims to demystify menstruation and provide practical solutions, ensuring that this new chapter is met with confidence and ease, rather than anxiety or uncertainty. Number 5. Nalwort Teen Girls Period Underwear, 6-pack. Discover ultimate comfort and protection with Nalwort's period underwear designed specifically for teen girls. Experience worry-free days and nights. Our innovative design offers reliable leak-proof protection, giving you the confidence to move freely throughout your day. Say goodbye to unexpected leaks. Crafted from soft, breathable cotton, these briefs feel gentle against your skin. Enjoy all-day comfort without irritation. Specially made for teenagers, these period panties provide the support and coverage you need. They are perfect for school, sports, and everyday activities. This convenient pack includes 6 pairs, ensuring you always have a fresh pair ready. Get great value and essential protection in one purchase. Feel secure and confident during your period with these protective briefs. They offer peace of mind so you can focus on what matters most. What we like. These offer excellent leak-proof protection for peace of mind. They are made from comfortable cotton, perfect for everyday wear. If you are looking for reliable and comfortable period protection that lasts, this pack of 6 is a great choice. What people say. The kit is well organized and contains everything a young girl needs to feel prepared and confident during her first period. It includes a variety of sanitary pads with different absorbencies, as well as disposable bags for discreet disposal. The included booklet provides clear and age-appropriate information about menstruation, helping to demystify the experience. Number 4. Pink Stork Organic PMS Support Suites. Discover Pink Stork's Organic PMS Support Suites, specially formulated for teens and women. They offer a simple and natural approach to managing your well-being. Crafted with vitamin B6 and peppermint, these drops are designed to support your body naturally. Experience a gentle yet effective solution. Find relief during your period with our carefully selected ingredients. They work together to help ease discomfort and promote balance. Beyond period support, these suites also aid digestion and help reduce bloating. Feel more comfortable and less weighed down. Manage mood swings effectively with this natural supplement. It's designed to help you feel more stable and in control. Each bottle contains 30 drops, making it easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Simply take as directed for optimal results. What we like. These suites are made with simple, natural ingredients to support your well-being. They specifically target mood swings and digestive discomfort. If you prefer a natural approach to managing period symptoms like bloating and moodiness, these organic drops are ideal. What people say. The kit is well organized and contains all the essentials for a first period. It includes discreet packaging, making it easy for girls to carry around. The educational booklet provides clear and age-appropriate information about menstruation. Number 3. RedDrop Tween Period Kit. Introducing the RedDrop Tween Period Kit, designed specifically for girls aged 9 to 12. It's everything you need to feel prepared and confident during your first period. This comprehensive kit includes 30 everyday pads for light days, 14 flow day pads for moderate flow, and 14 flow night pads for secure overnight protection. You'll always have the right absorbency. For those heavier days, we've included 10 maximum pads with wings, offering superior leak protection. Feel secure and comfortable no matter your flow. Stay fresh and clean with 7 individually wrapped feminine wipes. Plus, a convenient pouch is included to carry your essentials discreetly wherever you go. This 76-piece kit provides peace of mind for both tweens and parents. It's the perfect starter pack for navigating this new stage with ease and comfort. What we like. This kit provides a wide range of absorbency levels for different flow days and nights. It comes with feminine wipes for extra freshness. If you want a complete starter pack with everything you need for your first period, this 76-piece kit is very thorough. What people say. The kit is comprehensive and includes everything a young girl needs to feel prepared and confident during her first period. The products included are high quality and age appropriate, making the experience less daunting. The discreet packaging ensures privacy and makes it easy for girls to carry the kit with them. Number 2. First Period Pal Pack To Go Kit. Introducing the First Period Pal Pack. It's a convenient and discreet kit designed for your first period experience. This all-inclusive pack comes with 24 essential items. You'll find pads, panty liners, and everything a tween or teen needs. The stylish flower pattern bag is designed for discretion. Carry it with confidence wherever you go. Specially curated for tweens and teens aged 10 to 12. It provides comfort and preparedness during this important time. This to-go kit ensures you're always prepared. It's the perfect companion for school, sleepovers, or travel. What we like. This kit is designed to be discreet and easy to carry wherever you go. It includes essential pads and liners for on-the-go changes. If you need a compact and stylish solution to keep in your school bag or purse, this to-go pack is perfect. What people say. This kit is a lifesaver for parents and daughters. It has everything a young girl needs to feel prepared and confident. The products included are high quality and age appropriate. Number 1. First Period Kit for Girls 9 to 12. Introducing the ultimate starter kit designed specifically for young girls embarking on their first period journey. It's everything they need to feel comfortable and confident. Experience unparalleled comfort with our organic teen pads, ranked number 1 for their gentle and natural materials. They provide reliable protection without irritation. This kit is packed with trendy essentials that every tween will love. It's the perfect way to make this new chapter feel exciting and manageable. Each item has been thoughtfully designed with tweens in mind, ensuring ease of use and a touch of fun. We understand what you need during this time. Our pads are not only highly absorbent for worry-free wear but also biodegradable, making them a great choice for you and the planet. Feel secure and eco-conscious. Looking for a thoughtful gift for a teen girl? This kit makes an ideal present, offering practical and stylish solutions for her period needs. It's a gift of comfort and preparedness. What we like. These pads are ranked number 1 for comfort and are made from organic materials. They are also biodegradable, making them an eco-friendly choice. If you prioritize comfort, organic materials, and sustainability for your period care, this kit is an excellent option. What people say. The kit includes a variety of products like pads, panty liners, and wipes, which is great for a beginner. The discreet pouch is a nice touch, making it easy for girls to carry their essentials without feeling embarrassed. The educational booklet is very informative and explains everything in a clear and simple way, which is perfect for this age group. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.